Hi there. Today I've got a tip on what to do with little tiny stubs of pencils. I don't know if you ever have this happen, where you keep on sharpening and sharpening pencils and you end up with a tiny little stub and it becomes really hard to use as a pencil. And for me, they kind of just languish in a box, and I think, oh, one day I might use them as emergency or something, but if you're really ruthless, you might throw them away. But here's something I found one day when I walked into an art shop, can't remember where. I found this groovy little thing. It was on the counter and I had no idea what it was for. Well, it turns out it's a pencil extender. So what you do is you, see if I can get it out. You chuck the pencil in. It's shaped just right for the pencil shape. Chuck the pencil in there and then jam it into there. Oh, it screws in, actually, sorry. Screws into there. And so then you've got a longer pencil, and it's even got a useful clip on the end to hang it onto your journal or whatever. So it becomes much easier to use a pencil that way. But that one's quite a chunky one. That was very affordable because it's just plastic. There's another one that I found just recently. Here's a teeny chunk of pencil. This one is beautiful. It's from the General brand. This one cost a lot more, and I had to think twice about it because I thought, that's a lot to spend on a pencil extender. But it's really beautifully made, and if I put the pencil into the end here, it's got this little collar on the metal part, and then this will kind of pinch together when the collar goes up. So I put the pencil in, and then I just slide that up, and it grabs really firmly onto that pencil. But what I love is how slim that is, so that it just feels like a really beautiful long pencil to use. So that's my favourite now. I use that a lot. So it's a great way of using up all the rest of your little pencils. So that's your tip of the day. So if you would like to see more free tips and learn more about drawing and painting, go and visit the dojo at Zen and the Art of Art, zenartart.com. And please help other people to see this video by hitting like, share or commenting, or all three, please, below. Thanks for watching.